Guys, this is Will from CryptoFunBet.com. Today, guys, I have another great review for you guys. Today, I'll be looking at the cryptocurrency DigiByte against the Bitcoin and US dollar. And of course, I'm currently looking at cryptocurrency overall market look for today. You can see here Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum as the top three. But of course, today we are focusing on DigiByte here. And of course, something like to point out is the fact that DigiByte has managed to finally move above $1 billion in market cap. And of course, we see here today DigiByte is performing very well, up 12% as the time of this video, as of today. And let's go ahead and jump straight into DigiByte. As you guys can see here, we see that price has been we see that there has been a massive move in price since the start of December. We see here price went from 0.01 all the way to 0.09 here. So in other words, we saw gains of about times 10 since the start of December. And of course, here we had a bullish breakout on December 23rd. We see here where price managed. We have, of course, a terrible day. As you guys know, a few weeks back on Friday, you can see this massive dip in DigiByte against the US dollar. But quickly enough, we see a quick surge basically from the bottom of 0.03 to all the way up here just under 0.09 against the US dollar. But since December 23rd, we see that price has been in a triangle structure ever since. And of course, now this just 2 days ago, we had a bullish breakout confirmed here. We see that a lot of volatility occurring, consolidation, and of course, bam, we see a move above. We see price managed to broke through this range here, pushing from 0.075 or 0.08, pushing all the way up here to just under 0.12. And now we see here more volatility occurring, but of course, we see the price has still managed to set a new high of 0.13 against the US dollar. And of course, we see here gains of about 70% from this bullish breakout here. Interesting enough, usually a bullish breakout will follow through a continual bullish run to the upside. Of course, I'll keep you guys updated on whether this bullish run will continue to move forward. Now looking at DigiByte against the Bitcoin, we also see a similar triangle structure occurring here. But more interesting, I see here that you can see a bullish channel occurring here. And of course, I usually like to draw the key supports continue, as this could be a new key support for DigiByte against the Bitcoin. Nevertheless, we also see DigiByte setting a new high against the Bitcoin as well. We see here prices managed to break through this key resistance here, correlating with what is also occurring against the US dollar. And we see here price also managed to move this ratio to here. Bitcoin currently right now is trading above 16K, so that's why we see this long candle pushing back down because of today Bitcoin's up. But if the bullish run continues, I would expect DigiByte to still continue to move to the upside, even against the Bitcoin, despite the fact that it itself is also doing pretty well today. Anyway, guys, I'll keep you guys updated on DigiByte in the coming days ahead, and whether price continues to push above this ratio, and of course against the US dollar, if price manages to set a new high anywhere above its current high right now of 0.123. Anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and of course subscribe for more analysis video.